Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hyperlink on Google Docs. So if you want to add clickable links to your Google Docs, you can just follow these steps to insert a hyperlink like a pro. So first, you just need to open the Google Docs and you can open or create a new document. And now you can just select the word or phrase that you want to hyperlink. So I'm going to select this words right here. So to insert the link, you can now just go to insert and here find the option link or hyperlink. This one. You can also click on this chain to easily insert the link. And now you can just paste the URL of the website or page that you want to link, or you can also just search for it in here. So I'm going to add this links right here. Let's go back to document and now you can just paste the link in the box in here. And now you can just tap on apply. And that's it. So to test the link, you can just click on the link tags and then select it or tap it to open the link and check if it works. And now it's done. It works. So now your document has a clickable hyperlink. You can try it out now. So if you need more Google Docs tips, you can let me know in the comments. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.